Hello guys, welcome to HillBro RC, and today we are actually going to do a little racetrack. Since our unboxing of the Roost, we've gone a little crazy and spent a little money, and we actually got all of the ECXs. I'll show you them right here. We got Roost number 1, Tire Slayer. Roost number 2.
Stick with Blue Team.
Blue Team. Torment 1, Torment 2, Ruckus 1, Ruckus 2. Yeah, that's right. We went out and got all of the ECXs except for the rock crawlers because we just thought we'd have a lot of fun. Anyways, we just got done welding for today. We've been working a lot and it's the end of the day, kind of tired, and we just want to have some fun. So Caden's going to take you around this course that we just made. So we got the starting line. Where's the starting line, Caden?
We're gonna use this line right here. This is the starting line. Maybe put tape on it later.
Cool. So we got speed bump, chicane, straightaway, around the cone, straightaway, hit the jump as fast as you can, over the finish line, and try not to fall in the trench drain. Like that.
Mark this up.